All the flowers, trees, and plants, they're so pretty this time of year. And they can also be pretty bad for your allergies, causing sneezing, itchy, and watery eyes. Can you relate? I know I can. So what can you do to manage your allergies as the weather heats up this summer in full bloom? With us now is Drew Bodmer. He's a physician's assistant at Providence Medical Group, Bridgeport Clinic.
Good morning, Drew.
Good morning. How are you guys doing?
Very well, but for people suffering allergies, probably not too good this time of year. What kinds of allergies are out there now?
Well, right now the allergies, we're looking primarily at grass pollen allergies. Those typically get worse as we get into midsummer. So everything from ryegrass, Bermuda, bluegrass, any of those grasses that you see in your yard, those are going to be causing some allergies.
Yeah, we're mowing that grass too, which probably kicks them up, doesn't it?
It absolutely does, and especially if you have any kind of windy conditions and anything that's going to be blowing that pollen around, absolutely, those allergies will get worse.
Can the hot weather have an effect?
The hot weather will have an effect as the weather warms up and as all those grasses start to pollinate and germinate. Absolutely, you're going to see a significant increase in the allergy symptoms.
I know the linden trees are also dropping a lot of those little tiny yellow flowers. Mine are. You can almost see the pollen. Is that a problem for people as well?
It sure is, yeah. There's multiple different trees that are going to be germinating. So everything from your mulberry to poplar, aspen, even birch and ash trees. Any and all of those, as those are pollinating and germinating, absolutely, those will cause an increase in allergies.
Can an allergy mimic a cold? And if so, how do you tell the difference?
Yeah, that's actually a really tough question because a lot of times allergies and colds can have very similar symptoms, everything from the runny nose, irritated throat, plugged feeling in the ears, so you can get all those symptoms. The big difference is with a cold versus allergies is oftentimes allergies will have those itchy eyes and sneezing symptoms, while as cold symptoms will typically just be more of a sore throat, runny nose, sometimes a cough, and sometimes a fever will be accompanied with it. So a big thing to watch for is fevers, and if your symptoms aren't getting better, that's going to be more indicative of allergies.
Are there things that people may be doing, even if they don't realize they're doing it, that make their allergies worse?
Yeah, there certainly are. Things that people can do is certainly having house plants in the house and also having animals in the house. Both those things can cause an increase in allergies. Trying to keep plants out of the house and then trying to keep pets off furniture and off beds. In addition to, stress levels. If you're overly stressed, that can weaken the immune system and put you at an increased risk of having and developing allergies. So those are a couple things, as well as being around tobacco and cigarette smokers. That can cause increases in allergies.
I've had bad allergies for about 25 years. Finally, a friend said, try taking some bee pollen. I did in April, and I swear I have not had a sniffle or sneeze since then. Is this placebo effect, or can that work?
No, there certainly are multiple over-the-counter herbal supplements and remedies. There's some essential oils now that have been shown to be effective. So there's certainly bee pollen, echinacea. Some of those herbal remedies can be very beneficial.
All right, good to know. Drew, thanks so much.
Hey, thank you.
Drew Bodmer is a physician's assistant at Providence Medical Group, Bridgeport Clinic.